Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Retouch Academy panel to match the skin tone in Photoshop. This technique is actually easy and simple to achieve. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. So once you have your picture inside Photoshop, the first thing for you to do is to get to your Retouch Academy panel. Then you locate where you have the magical skin tone. So on this video, I'm going to be working with the magical skin tone to show you guys how you can match skin tone using this. So I'm just going to click it and I'll allow it to load. So once it's done loading, you can see there's already a black layer mask right here. So I'm just going to pick on my brush. Then once I pick on my brush, I'm going to right click and set the hardness to 55. So once that is being checked, I'll hit OK and make sure your foreground color is at white and opacity at 100 and flow at 100. So I'm just going to start brushing to apply the effect on the skin. So if you look at it very well, the effect is not really showing. So let me click on this button on the keyboard to show you where, so that you know where I have applied this effect. So I'm going to click here. So once that is done, make sure it's on white foreground color. Then I'm going to continue brushing. So note that when you're brushing this, make sure you just brush only the skin area. The face, the mouth, and the eye must not be included. So you don't have to brush the mouth and the eyes. So it's just the skin only. And when you're doing this, you need to take your time to do it, because any mistake can ruin your picture a whole lot. So I'm just going to brush this just like that. So once you're done brushing just the skin area, you still come back to this key on the keyboard and you press it so you can see. Let me show you the before. So this is the before and this is the after. You might not really see the effect, but it has been added to. You can see the before and this is the after. Let me show you another way on how you can just brush the skin area. So I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to click on it again. So once it's done loading, you can see it on the layer mask already. So I'm just going to head on to select and I'm going to load the selection I did earlier. So to do this, you need to first of all make selection of just the skin area, and when you're done you can save it. If you don't know how to save your selection, just drop on the comment section so I can make a video for you. So once you load the selection, make sure you select the layer mask right here. You still pick on the brush, the opacity at 100, the flow at 100. So for me to get started, I'm going to change this to the white foreground color. Then I'm just going to brush this at random because I know it's not going to affect any other part. It's just the skin area which I have selected already. So I'm just going to brush it like this. So I'm going to come to this key, then I'm going to press it to see the areas that the effect has been added. Sorry, to do that I'm going to deselect, then I'll select the layer mask right here, press the key, so you can see it's only added to just the skin area. So you can see this is a simple step on how you can match the skin tone using your Retouch Academy panel. I hope you learned something from this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to like and comment. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.